I'm going to teach you how to merge sections in Google Forms. If you've ever split a form into multiple parts and later realized they'd work better as one, this quick method will help you clean things up without retyping or copying questions. First, open the Google form you want to edit so you're in the form editor view. You'll need a form that already has more than one section. If you're not sure, look for horizontal section dividers with their own titles and descriptions. Each of those is a separate section. Now, scroll through the form and find the second section you want to combine with the one directly above it. It's important to note that Google Forms only merges a section with the section immediately before it. That means the option won't join non-adjacent sections, and it won't merge downward. So make sure you're targeting the section that sits right under the one you want everything to live in. Once you've found that second section, look at the section card itself. On the top right of that section's header area, you'll see a three-dot icon, often labeled More Options when you hover over it. Click that icon to open the section's Options menu. This menu controls actions that affect the entire section, not just individual questions. From that menu, choose Merge with Above. As soon as you click, Google Forms will move all the questions, descriptions, and media from the selected section into the section directly above it, and it will remove the extra section break. Nothing is deleted. Everything is simply consolidated into a single, continuous section. Take a moment to review the result. Scroll through the combined section to confirm the questions appear in the correct order and that any images or descriptions came along as expected. If your form previously used section-based navigation, like Go to Section based on Answer, or custom after-section destinations, merging removes that section boundary, so check your form logic to ensure it still behaves the way you intend. If anything looks off, remember you can use the Undo button at the top of the editor to instantly reverse the merge and try again. When everything looks good, you're done. You've streamlined your form, reduced unnecessary breaks, and made the experience smoother for respondents. That's all it takes to merge sections in Google Forms quickly and confidently.